Daily conversations. How's it going? Hey, what's up? Long time no see. How have you been? Nice to see you again. Asking for help. Can you help me with this? Could you explain that again? Sorry, what do you mean? Can you repeat that, please? How does this machine work? Shopping. How much is this shirt? You had this in a different size? You had this in large? Can I try this on? No thanks, I'm just looking. I'll take it. Food and restaurants. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order a pizza. What do you recommend? Can I get the bill, please? The food was great. Social situations. That sounds good to me. I agree with you. I'm not sure about that. It depends on the situation. Let's do it. Work and study. I'll do it later. I'm working on it right now. Let's start the lesson. I need more time. That makes sense. Phone conversations. Can I call you back later? Sorry, I'm busy right now. Let me check that. Hold on a second. I'll text you later. Traveling. Where is this place? How do I get there? Is it far from here? How long does it take? Excuse me, I'm lost. Reactions. Really? No way. That's amazing. That's funny. That's too bad. Everyday expressions. I think so. I don't think so. Of course. That really. It's up to you.